Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the door strike on your dishwasher, you will need to pull the dishwasher a few inches away from the cabinet. Detach the lower access panel and determine if the water and power supply lines provide enough slack to do this. If not, you will need to fully uninstall the appliance. Turn off the power to your dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Use a 5/8" wrench or an adjustable wrench to help unthread the water supply line from the inlet valve elbow fitting. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, use a Phillip head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the junction box cover. Then pull the cover off. Note the location of the wires, then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the strain relief nut if applicable, and detach the strain relief from the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Very carefully pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Now open the dishwasher door and use a Phillip head screwdriver and a 7mm socket to remove the nut and bolt securing the door strike clamp. Lift off the clamp and remove the old strike. Install the new door strike by positioning it in the frame, then align the clamp and insert the bolt. Thread and tighten the nut to secure. Make sure the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wire strain relief in the junction box and secure the strain relief nut if applicable. Connect the wires and secure them using the wire nuts. Realign the cover and replace the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line to the inlet valve elbow fitting. Realign the lower access panel and snap it into place. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.